Hi guys, I did a shop at Michael's yesterday. They had some new yarn, so I went over and picked some up. I'll get this big old bag out of the way. The first one is this Caron Blossom Cakes, and it's actually the Blossom Cakes that made me want to go over to the Michael's in the first place. I love spring and summer crocheting, and this yarn here is a 61% cotton and 39% acrylic. So with the cotton being in it, it's great for spring and summer crochet. So again, it's the reason that I went over, but I did get a couple of the other new ones. So I'll read what they say about these Blossom Cakes on the Michael's website. It says, "Spring is in bloom with the limited edition Caron Blossom Cakes. This medium weight cotton and acrylic yarn is perfect for knitting and crocheting soft wearables like shawls, wraps, and cardigans. The bright colors are also great for home decor accents and accessories like blankets, pillows, and tote bags." So I definitely agree with their description that it would be great for knitting and crocheting soft wearables. I plan on making some tops with this yarn over spring and summer. So the color I have here, you can see, it's a nice yellow and it's got some pink in there. It's a very nice soft yarn, and the color that I have here is called Passion Fruit. It was even this color that made me drive over to Michael's last night. So again, it's a medium 4 weight, 61% cotton, 39% acrylic yarn. The recommended knitting needles is a 5mm or a US 8, and the recommended crochet hook is also 5mm or a US H or 8 hook. So it is a machine washable and dryable yarn. It says do not bleach, do not dry clean, do not iron, machine wash, cold gentle cycle, tumble dry, low gentle cycle. And the weight is 8 ounces or 227 grams, and the yardage is 481 yards or 440 meters, and it was made in India. Comes with a nice pattern. So that's the first color that I got, and I did get another color. The second color that I got is this one here. Also very, very nice. It's got some blues and greens, and there's a little bit of like a brown in there. Very, very nice, even some yellow. And the color of this one here is called Island Time. All the information itself is the same, just the color is different. So those are the two colors that I got in these Blossom Cakes. And I actually paid full price for these. I did have a 30% off coupon for one full-priced skein of yarn. So one of these, of all of them that I got, was 30% off, but I was a little bit impatient, so I just ended up paying the full price. So they will go on sale eventually, and if you look at the Michael's website, they almost always have in fact, every time I've gone on the Michael's website, they've had some sort of a coupon. I'm not sure exactly what it is in the US, but here in Canada where I live, it's usually a 30% off one full-priced item. So I did use that, but otherwise you can see here, Canadian dollars, I paid $14.99, and US dollars, that's $12.99. So those are those two colors that I got, and I will on screen show you the other colors that they have available in these Caron Blossom Cakes. And the second new kind of yarn that I got is this Care-On Cinnamon Swirl Cakes. So that's the first color I got. I got a couple different colors of this, but first, again, I'll read to you what it says on the Michaels website about this yarn. It says, add some sweetness to your fiber crafts with Care-On Cinnamon Swirl Cakes. This medium weight acrylic yarn is perfect for knitting and crocheting soft wearables like shawls, wraps, and cardigans. The bright colors are also great for home decor accents and accessories like blankets, pillows, and tote bags. So, it is, again, a 100% acrylic yarn, also machine washable and dryable. It has the same notes about washing it. It's a 5mm crochet hook and also knitting needles. So same as that first yarn that we looked at, 8 ounce, 227 grams, 407 yards or 372 meters. And one is made in Turkey. So the color I have here is called Sun and Surf. Very nice colors. It's a striped yarn. It's quite soft. It's not the softest yarn I've ever felt. It's not as soft as this one here, the first kind that I showed you, but I definitely agree that it's safe for wearables. It wouldn't feel rough against your skin or anything like that. I actually got this color here to make a shawl for my sister, so you can watch for a tutorial for that, but that's the first color that I got. The second color I got is this one here. Also very nice. It's got the cream color and the browns and the blues, different shades of blues. There's some gray in there. This one here has the yellow, orange, and blues and cream color. But this one here, the color is called Oyster. So very, very nice. I'll probably make a scarf or something like that with this one. And the third color that I got is this one, which is very rainbow-esque. So this one is Tropical Breeze is the color of this one, but otherwise all the information is the same. And I'm not sure what I'll make with this one, but this one is actually one of my favorites. I love the rainbow colors on it, but otherwise all the information is the same. They both come with some new patterns that you can make. And yes, very nice. And again, I will show you on screen now all the other new colors that are available in the Cinnamon Swirl Cakes. And that's my yarn haul. So I did get multiples, like this one. I got a bunch of them because I'm going to be making that shawl, but I just kind of wanted to show you one of each of the colors that I got. And they do have other new yarns available, so you can check out the website, the Michaels website, if you want to see the other new yarns that I did not get. And again, between the two, they're all great. I love them all, but between the two, I prefer these Blossom Cakes just because, again, I like to do tops over spring and summer. That's my favorite thing to crochet, but it really just depends what you like to make. These would be great for sweaters and scarves and projects for the colder months, so whatever you prefer. And I think that's everything, and I will see you in my next video. If you wanted to, you could subscribe. I have tons of tutorials coming out, and you'll see some with these new yarns here, so I can talk about them a little bit more in the tutorials. So if you wanted to subscribe so you don't miss those, that would be very much appreciated. But I'll otherwise see you in my next video. Bye!